What's up, guys? This is Philly. I got my Arrma Mojave 4S out today, and I am so happy. I actually got it to run it the same day I did the unboxing. I didn't think I would be able to pull it off, but as you see, the sun is out. My 4S battery already installed, but what I'm gonna do before I run her, because I haven't cut this car on yet, so what I'm gonna do, check the lugs for one, and I'm gonna recalibrate the ESC. Here we go. Always drop the camera. Now I got on 50% right now. They don't need 50%. Oh wow, this thing is a beast. The steering is on point. It's only 50%. I want to see how I move on 50% for a little while. It's wet out here today, so. Damn, that's 50%. Jesus Christ. Yo, that didn't make no sense, that right there. Yo, my next video gonna definitely be a speed test. Yo, this is 50%, right? Yeah, this is only 50%. Wow. I mean, I only drove for about 2-3 minutes, but I'm impressed already. The suspension is on point. The speed is crazy. Wow. Oh, God. Yeah, this thing gonna be nice and dirty when I'm finished. Yo, but that is fun. I mean, oops, that is crazy. This car is moving. Yo, I got thrown on 100. I gotta see what it does on 100. It's 100% right now. Yo, these tires are like they can't take it. Oh, my first flip. 100% what you expect. This thing is a beast. This thing is a monster. All right, look at this. I'm gonna put this in slow motion. This suspension right here. I don't know. Somebody had a video out on this and they said it was faster than the Mojave, and it almost seemed like it is. Oh, damn it. All right, I ain't doing no more jumps. Gotta give me some time with it first. I'm no more jumps. That suspension give a lot. I ain't supposed to be jumping this yet. I'm supposed to give it some time, right? Yeah. Oh. Not really. The skid plate is taking most of the damage. I have to give it that much. So far, I see this not punchy enough. I'm gonna have to turn up the punch so I can pull off at least a little bit of a. Yeah, I'm not doing too well. This is my last jump. She took that one. I did full throttle off the rip though. I really said I wasn't gonna do this. All right, that's enough. You know what? I ain't doing no more. Seriously, no more jumps. I got something stuck in the servo for a minute. Yeah, no more jumps. I'm gonna just do a little bash. So far, I handle the grass like it ain't nothing. Yo. Soaking up all them bumps like it's nothing. Taking it like it's nothing. Yeah. The body out. That stuff's right here. It can come out. I guess that can come out. Everything is still fine on it. It's really a mini Mojave. It moves just like it. The Mojave don't care. The Mojave just don't care. Yo, it's gliding like it ain't no bumps. When it get up to speed, it literally glide across everything like it's not there. Unless it's something real deep. Look at it. I mean, it's like once it pick up speed, it doesn't just, like it's almost in the air. Well, I felt that one. Oh my God. Yo, this thing I gotta do me. I'm gonna do a speed test on this. Yeah, I go driving too close. I'm gonna do a speed test on this on my next video, and I'm also do the. I'm gonna have the 7-scale Mojave in the same video, and just do a little quick comparison, handling and all that. See how I feel about it. See how I might feel about it, which I can tell already. They both are monsters. This is just a mini monster. That's all. But it is a beast. Oh. Yeah, but I got this from RC Discount Superstore. If you're in the local area, I will come past and get one. almost seems like the battery is kind of dead. Because I feel it got more in it, and it just seemed like it's not really doing it. But it's punching a lot, though. It is really punching hard. Yo, this suspension keeps this thing on point. That's why they gave it a wheelie bar, but I ain't wheeling. But I figure if I come up a couple teeth, I didn't even go through how many teeth it got. They got enough teeth. However many teeth it got enough. Yeah, she's nice and dirty now. I gave her a good thrashing and a good dash. Yeah, but oh, yeah. The 4S Mojave is a monster. Oh, what did I do here? It's a beast. I'm not even getting any of that. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna do one more little rip up the grass, back and forth, and then I'm gonna call it a day. Yo, nope, can't possibly crash. And this thing is probably getting hot by now. Boom! Yo, Arrma tough, baby.